Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will do a quick revision of RM and PR subject, so which it means research methodology and project report. So whoever is completed their preparation, this video will be helpful for them to do a quick revise of the subject topics. Okay, so in this video I will give the top 2 questions of each unit. So total 4 questions only I will give in this video, and I will give certain tips and tricks. Okay, those who are skipping the video and just watching that important questions, they will not get any benefited, but those who are watching the full video will get the strategies which I will provide you to score O grade in the subject and easily get passing marks in this subject. Okay students, so let's get into the video. So RM and PR subject, from unit number 1 I have given 2 questions. Okay, research design, research process is the first question. Okay, what is research and what are the research design and process? If you want to do a research, what are the different steps you need to be performed? That is called research process. Research design means architecture, like framework of a research. What are the blueprint of a research, what are the design of a research, like that you will get to learn in that chapter. And the second question is hypothesis ma. Okay, hypothesis is also important. Out of these two also, hypothesis last time repeated question, and research process we can expect, or research design we can expect this year. And why I am not giving the short questions means, if you are perfect with the long questions, then you can easily attempt the short questions, because short questions will be a part of long question only, no? So that's the thing. And if you are perfect with these 2 questions, then short will also automatically cover. Okay, and coming back to the second unit, I have given 2 questions. That is, first one is research report, and second one is parametric and non-parametric. Parametric and non-parametric, you need to learn the differences, what is parametric and what is non-parametric. And research report is compulsory, we can expect this year. So because the research report is the only topic, theoretical topic you are having in unit number 2. Next ANOVA you will have, chi-square test you will have, F test, so every test you will have, no? So if you are want to skip the problematic in RM and PR, just go with the theory only. Out of 2 questions, if one question is given the problematic related to the ANOVA or 1 square or 2 square, second question will automatically be a theory question. So that's why you need to learn the theory. So these 4 questions you learn ma, and short like that how they will ask means, what is research, what is hypothesis, what is sampling. Okay, and to do a research report, what are the thing after doing all the research, what is the in report, how you will represent all the things, whatever you have observed. So research report plays a key role in understanding the concept, in understanding the strategies of companies or entrepreneurs. So like that I have saying that research answer is important, research report is also important. So 4 marks also will easily get to know ma. Okay, and if you want to attempt any extra questions, my suggestion would be to you will attempt any extra question also. So whether you know or don't know the question, but attempting the question is important. Attempting the question gives more weightage to your marks, and it will bring that like intention, like 15 marks question paper, 15 marks question for each question, 15 marks consist in part B. If you are attempting part B means compulsory you need to write front, back, front, see 3 sides of the pages is compulsory. Okay, so that time like that you need to write it. Okay, and coming back to the short, you learn you need to write only 1 side or 1.5 side is enough. Mostly 1 side of the answer is enough, and time duration is only 1.5 hour. In this 1.5 hour you need to finish 2 long and 2 short, and for long at least take like around 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so if you would have taken 1 hour for long also, remaining half an hour will be short only, no? So like that, you need to manage your time. So this is all about the video, students. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. I have already uploaded the explanation video in our channel regarding RM and PR subject, and notes PDF also I have shared in Telegram group and in WhatsApp group also. Okay, so once again, all the very best. See you all in next video. Bye bye, students.